to make that stenographer serve. Otherwise, the head of the Board of Commissioners can hold them in contempt and send them to jail. So I invoke the right of and the power of the Provincial Board of Commissioners to see to it that we have a stenographer this morning.
The political parties are represented in today's proceedings. I wonder if we also have lawyers, but yes, I think they also have to have to enter their appearance, and in the meantime, probably, I'm sure if we will help one another, we can find a stenographer. I have talked to, I do not know if he is Governor or Congressman Timapuro. I find him to be a very reasonable person. I am sure that if the Board of Canvassers will ask him, he will definitely provide us with one.
The Honorable Members, Attorney Ogamakno for Lakas in UCCMD. We have been silent all along because we do not want to be suspected of trying to gain favor of the board. But apparently in the explanation, in the interchanges between Council and the Provincial Board, extraordinary efforts were made by the board in trying to secure a stenographer. Our purpose here today is not to delay the proceedings. Despite, I think, the proceeding has quite been delayed. And with all these assurances of the board that it will be transcribed and everything, every party will be, we are satisfied with that explanation. And therefore we ask the board to rule so that we can proceed immediately and ease the tension here.
Or the suggestion made by this honorable board seems to be logical. And anyway, I don't think that there will be any irregularity for that matter, because the board is trying to do its best in order to comply. Anyway, immediately after this particular session, the same will be transcribed. For more protection, if the other party really wants, we can have 2 or 3 tapes.
That we should not rely only on one copy, one tape, which could break down anytime. So we would like to move, respectfully, Your Honor, that we should secure the services of this stenographer. And I would like to adopt the motion of Atty. Rivera, invoking the power of this honorable board, putting all government agencies under the control of the COMELEC, since this is still an election period, to compel these stenographers to serve before this honorable board. I so move, Your Honor.
Okay. You can provide any stenographer you can recommend to this board. Because, you know, to be frank with you, I am not from this place. I am the stranger of this place. I do not know if there is anybody here. I don't know where I to go. My purpose only is canvas, that's all, nothing more, nothing less. Then if you can provide us one, any department, any agency that you can recommend to us, we will try to accept it. In the event, there is one.
I think
Minutes. If we don't have any stenographer, then somebody should be taking down the minutes other than the stenographic notes. But nobody is taking down the minutes. We don't even have a recorded, written record of who are appearing for whom. When we started, who are the honorable members of the board? Who are the members of the tabulating committee? We don't have that. What time we started? Even if only for the minutes, we should have a minute officer, Your Honor.
Your Honors, may I ask for a 5-minute recess?
Wait.
kita.
Can we look at the statement of vote?
Kaya kita may observation.
After this one is the national secrecy.
No, but wait.
No, the law provides that the national must be canvassed
We
first.
will not canvass first.
That's why we will not appreciate the local certificate of canvass prior or ahead of the national. The law so provides that the national must be first.
Anyway, we have already started with this.
No, except that I would like to look at the issue.
It's obvious.
After the
Next,
national.
next, next, next.
But national.
Actually, we will get the same. This is our
We will
observation
canvass the
only.
national first. Canvass the national first.
Yes, but you cannot unless you appreciate that first.
We will first look at the SOB, then we look at
And
that.
then canvass this one first.
Sure, but you won't
Okay.
Appreciate this one first.
Okay. This is now the statement of votes. We would like to put on record that again, in the entries for Badilis Angelic Don, A, there are intercalations in the columns representing the figures for each precinct. There are very clear snowflake entries. Yes, very crystal clear, and it would appear that the total now for Angelic Dominic is what's that? There is 256, but in the certificate of canvass it is 458.
900.
The first page, there are so many intercalations in the entries for Badelies, for Belmonte, but there are additions, obvious additions in the figures, or to make it appear that Di Mapuro got, in this particular page, got 2,914, but the figures are obviously
Written
with, it is obviously changed. The numbers were changed. And there is a snowflake here on a stem of a figure to make it appear that there's one. These are all these particular entries, these particular material alterations or intercalations are obvious to the naked eye. There are no other intercalations in other entries.
Next page.
The second